Hello everyone. This is lesson 1. This is the course. I want to introduce you, review exponent, review order of operation, review evaluating formulas, and practice reading and doing word problem. Okay, let's do it. All right. So what is the difference between -3 squared and -3 parentheses squared, right? So this means -3 times 3, which is -9, right? This means -3 times -3, which is +9, right? Okay, let's do second one. This one is similar with the first one, right? So -2 times 2 times 2. So that will be -8. And this means -2 times -2 times -2, which is -8, right? And this means we have a negative sign outside of parentheses. So that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times, right? Because the exponent is applied to only the base here, right? So this one is the whole thing. This one is only the parentheses, right? And how about this one? This one is a parentheses. So inside the parentheses, we have a -2. So we keep the, oh, I have not finished this one. So this will be 8, and then we have a negative, so -8, right? And this is negative, and then -2 times -2 times -2, and 3 times of that, right? Then there will be, we have a negative sign in front here, and then this will be -8. So we have a -8 will be +8, right? Okay. So can you please practice this one? See? Very similar with B, right? Okay, now order of operations. So they say that GMD, DS, right? So we obtain here PEMDAS. So what's the PEMDAS? Stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division. And this is in order, and addition, subtraction should be in order as well, right? So this means work left to right means in order, right? Okay, so they say that grouping symbol. So this is like a think, PEMDAS, right? So PEMDAS. So parentheses. So parentheses, any special symbol, bracket, or curly bracket. Okay, exponent, we know that. Looks like this. 2 to the cube, right? Etc. And multiplication, division should be in order. Whoever comes first, we do that first. Addition and subtraction, same, in order. Addition, subtraction, whoever comes first, we do that first. All right? Okay, now let's do this one. So we have 3 squared, which is 9, right? Minus 1 over parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have a 3. And then we have a 1, 6 minus 5. And we get 8 over 3, right? So they say that exact answer, so exact answer will be 8 over 3 will be exact. Okay, now 8 over 3 will be 2.66666. So let's make it 3 decimal places. Then look, we want to answer 3 decimal places here, right? Then we're looking at the fourth one. So it's a 6. 6 is greater than 5. We do round up. Round up means we give it to the 1 on the third digit, right? So that will be 2.667. That will be round 3 decimal places. Okay, let's move on. Let's simplify this one. So there will be bracket first. So we will have 5 plus negative 12 divided by 4, which is negative 3, over, and inside the parentheses, so 4 times 2 to the third, which is a minus 2. Okay, still, we need to simplify inside the parentheses, but we can do that separately, numerator and denominator. So 5 minus 3, which is positive 2 over 4. And this will be 6. So this is a 6. That will be, we have, let's just simplify first. 2 over 2 times 2 for 4. And then we have a 6. So 2, we can simplify 2 over 2, which is the 1. So we will have 1 over 12, right? Okay, please correct me if I make a mistake. So exact answer, which is 1 over 12. And then 2 decimal places, which is 1 over 12, which is 0.0833. Okay, let's take a look third one, because we want to answer 2 decimal places, right? So we don't need it. We don't need this one. Okay, that means 3 less than 5, we do rounded out. Rounded out means we chop, right? Rest. So it will be 0.08. Okay? All right. Let's move on. A little bit slow. Okay, so this will be 3 squared, which is 9, minus 1 squared, which is 1. We get square root of 8. We can simplify. This one will be, all right, this is 4 times 2, right? So that is square root of 4 and square root of 2. Then we can express this one as 2 square root over 2, right? Okay, that is the exact answer. 2 square root of 2. Okay, round to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 square root of 2, which is 2.828. So we're looking at the second digit. We want to answer 2 decimal places. That means we're looking at the third one. So 8 is greater than 5. Round up. Round up means we give it to the 1. So we will get 2.83. Now, we want to round to 3 decimal places. So there will be 2.8283. So 4 there. Then looking at the fourth one. So 4 is less than 5. Round down. Round down means we chop rest of a digit. So this will be 2.828. Okay. Now, we want to evaluate the formulas. Okay. So we have evaluate 9x minus x squared and x equal to negative 5. So we do substitute there, right? So negative 5 into the x. Okay, that will be 9 and negative 5 minus x squared. So negative 5 was squared. So that will be negative 5 times negative 5, which is negative 45 minus 25, because negative 5 squared, which is positive 25, right? So that will be negative 70, right? Okay. This will be similar. We substitute. Well, in that case, we have x and y, right? So we substitute when x equal to negative 9. We substitute we substitute when x equal to a different color, when y equal to negative 3. Okay, so that would be 5 negative 9 minus y over x squared, which is negative 9 squared minus 5 and negative 3, right? Okay, so let's calculate. That will be 5 times negative 9, which is negative 45. And then we have a negative, which is positive. So positive 3 and over, and negative 9 squared, which is 81, plus, and then we have a negative, which is positive 15. Okay, that will be negative 42 over 96. Okay, let's just simplify. So I want to make this is a negative 2 times 21 over 2 times 49 equal to negative 21 over 49. That is the simplest form. Okay, so let us do this one. Evaluate r times 0.0098i 1 minus 1 plus 0.089i to the negative n power, where r equal to 1/10,000, I equal to 0.05, n equal to 360. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, be careful. We don't do that, right? Because we just learned PEMDAS, GEMDAS, right? GEMDAS. So parentheses first. So we have to simplify inside the parentheses first, right? In that case, we do numerator, denominator, respectively, right? Okay, R. Let's substitute. R equal to 110,000 and 0.089, I equal to 0.05 over 1 minus 1 plus 0.089. I equal to 0.05 to the negative n power. So that will be negative 360 power. Okay. It's a tedious calculation. So the numerator will be 0.00445 and the okay, let me clarify. This one is like that, right? Over the denominator inside the parentheses. So 1 minus, let me do just step by step. 1 plus 0.00445 to the negative 360. And then we can see that this will be 1.00445, right? Okay, so 1.00445 to the negative 360. So we get this one. One minus 0.202210491. So this will be 0.00. Oh, so slow. Oh, yeah. I'm waiting. 445 over 0.797789509. Then there will be 110,000 0.00557792124 equal to, we multiply 2, then we get 613.57. Okay, let me do 2 decimal places, right? So we have 0.364. So 2 decimal places, we're looking at the third one. So 0 is less than 5. Round it down. So we do chop rest. So answer will be 613.57. So we finished the lesson 1. Thank you for watching. See you. Thank you. Bye.